Hello, dear students. I am Professor Poonam Patil. Welcome you all for today's lecture of computer application in business. As you saw in previous video, we saw the first module's videos. Your first module is database management system. Your first module is finished. So today I am starting the second module. Your second module is computer networks. As you saw as you see in the screen, this is your second module, computer networks and internet. In this module, we shall discuss computer networks, what you mean by computer networks, how many types of computer networks, and internet means what is the use of internet, what purpose we use the internet. So we'll discuss in this module. See here, as you saw in previous video, we completed the first module. So today I'm starting the second module. In today's topic for discussion is computer network means what, network means what, computer network means what, and how many types of computer networks, and what is the use of each type of network. We'll discuss today this one by one. See here, first one is computer networks. Computer network means what? See here, a computer network or data network is telecommunication network that allows computer to exchange data. See here, if you want to exchange data from one computer to another computer, from one place to another place, how you can transfer data from one computer to another computer, from one place to another place. That purpose we need a network. Using the help of network, we can transfer the data easily from one place to another place, from one computer to another computer. So we can communicate using network, one computer to another computer. Okay, a computer network or data network is a telecommunication. So we can telecommunicate through one computer to another computer, from one place to another place, using network that allows computer to exchange data. If you want to exchange data from one place to another place using computer, so we need a network. That network is called as a computer network. Okay, then we discuss network means what. Then what you mean by network? A network is a group of two or more devices that can communicate. So see here, if you want to communicate with another person, so we need a device. Using any device or network, we can communicate from one place to another place, to another person easily. So that is called as a network. It is a group of two or more devices that can communicate. If you want to communicate from one place to another place, from one person to another person, so we need a device. We are using the electronic device. Using electronic device, using network, we can communicate from one place to another place easily. That is called as a network. Then types of network. Then what are the types of networks? Here, types of computer network. There are three types of computer networks: LAN, MAN, and WAN. LAN means what? What is the full form of this LAN? LAN. LAN means local area network. Means local area network means it is applicable only for the that much location, only for the restricted area, only for that some area. Then the second one is MAN. MAN means metropolitan area network. It is applicable to whole building, means more than the it is applicable for the more area than the land. Then third type is WAN, means wide area network. Wide area network means it covers the large geographical area. It is applicable to all world. So this is called as a wide area network. We'll see one by one. See here, as you see on your screen, see, this is the image. Using this diagram, you can easily understand what you mean by WAN, MAN or LAN. See here, WAN means wide area network, means it is applicable to all world or it is applicable to all country. This type of network covers the large geographical area, means this type of network comes all around the world, means this type of network comes where it covers the large geographical area. So this type of network comes in everywhere, means all country or it is applicable to all world. Then man means metropolitan area network. This type of network is applicable to for any particular city, means less than the WAN, means it covers the less geographical area than the WAN, means it is applicable only for the any city or any town. Then third type is LAN, means local area network. It is applicable only for the local area, means it covers the small geographical area, means it is applicable within that building only, means some restricted area it is applicable. If you go outside from that area, this type of networks not come. So this is the third type of computer networks. We'll see one by one here. First one is local area network. This is called as a LAN. LAN means local area network. A local area network is a network that connects computers and devices. See here, using any electronic device, we can communicate from one place to another place with another person using network. A device in a limited geographical area, means LAN. This type of network, it captures the limited area. This type of network comes in the limited area. It is applicable within that limited area. So a limited geographical area such as a home, school, computer laboratory, office building, means it comes in your home only. It is applicable only for the school building. Otherwise, it is applicable for only the computer laboratory or any office building. Means this type of network comes in only the single building. Within that, means within the restricted area, limited, it captures the limited area. This is called as a local area network. So this type of networks we can use at home or for office, in anyone office or computer laboratory, any school, college. There we are using the LAN area network, means for example Wi-Fi is covers the limited geographical area. It comes under only the limited area. So Wi-Fi is the example of the LAN, means local area network. Then metropolitan area network means MAN. A metropolitan area network is a high-speed network that connects local area networks in a metropolitan area such as city or town and handles bulk of communications activity across the region. Means this type of MAN, means metropolitan area network, this captures the whole city or town. It covers the large area than the WAN, means it is applicable for only particular city or in particular town. This is called as a metropolitan area network. A MAN typically includes one or more LAN but covers a smaller geographical area than a WAN, means wide area network. So wide area network capture the larger geographical area. Then MAN can capture the small geographical area than a WAN. Then third type of computer network is wide area network. So WAN, a wide area network is a network that covers a large geographical area such as country or the world, means it captures the larger geographical area. For example, this type of network comes in it is applicable all country or all world. WAN combines many types of media such as telephone lines, cables and radio waves. Radio waves, this is example of the wide area network. A WAN can be a large network or can consist of two or more LANs connected together. The internet is the world's largest WAN means wide area network. For example, internet is the world's largest wide area network. Internet comes all over the world, all over the country. This is it captures the large geographical area. So internet is example of the WAN type of network. Then network topology. Then what you mean by network topology, we will discuss in next video class.